Matsele is doing her job and she's doing it exceptionally well. She has welcomed Samke Khwela into her family so warmly. Now we see them sitting there in a restaurant. The reason for that is because Matsele called Samke and then she started sitting down with her and telling her that your man is in the hospital, and jokingly over there she was saying we are mustreza, and then Samke was like, Now guys, after that, Matsele continues to say, you are wearing a maternity. She didn't say it that way, but after that she said something like that. She's basically asking Usamke if she's pregnant, like is there a bun in the oven? Because Vela Usamke looks pregnant, guys. Even though Usamke's answer was like no, but girl looks pregnant. I mean, Umatele would know when she sees someone she has seen before looking a little bit fully, like she looks fuller. That's the right, if for a lack of a better word, she looks fuller. Even her bust bones look a little bit bigger in that maternity wear that she has on. I don't know if she's disguising something over there, but she answered no to the question, are you having a bun over there? But of course, if she is having a bun, it's still too early to break the ice and tell the world. Girl, if you're hiding it for now, we understand. There's a lot happening, guys. As we all know, that Mseleku is in hospital, in ICU, fighting for his life. But he's okay. He's not necessarily fighting for his life. He has already won the battle because he looks fine. He's talking. He's just there for some time and then he'll be out, obviously. Now, if he's expecting a child, I don't know why some guys doing what she's doing, but girl, not me. It wouldn't me in that position, because that position you're in is quite tough. Your man is getting up BP and another baby's coming. Is he ready? Is Mseleku ready for all of this? Ntate Mseleku, are you ready for all of this? Because it's getting kuningia, even for you. As the years go by, we age and we definitely are not immortal. You understand? So as we aging, things change. A lot of things change. So I don't know. Samke Khwela, it was your choice, babes. It was your choice. And we saw her crying over there. And then I think to myself, why are you crying, honey? What's wrong? And maybe you girl has this thought, so good, I might be carrying a baby, and me carrying a baby now, the baby daddy is in hospital and the baby daddy is not well. What am I gonna do? What if I end up having to mother this child all by myself? The rush of questions that come when you are overwhelmed or stressed by something. Maybe she's probably was going through those thoughts. That's why she ended up, her tears were like falling. Those were heartbreak tears, guys. Those heartbreak tears that you don't have to dig down to get. They just like, no, they're there. And I was like, oh, babe, come on. And that episode, last night's episode, was very touching. It was, I just felt so, I don't know, I had goosebumps. I felt so horrible for Mseleku. So anyway, guys, that's it. Khwela might be carrying an heir to the throne, Mseleku. We don't know. We don't know because she has not confirmed it yet. For now, it's still allegations, but she looks like she's carrying a bun. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and of course, I love you. And like my video and come back for more content like this if you like it, and subscribe to my channel kindly so that we grow this small channel. I'll see you on another one.